lamp. This is a 4-in-1 touch lamp. But there is an emergency light, pen stand, plant pot. It's works with touch keys, easily foldable and storage. Here is they given a touch key, and at the back side they given a charging point. The product parameters are shown here. These are 3-watt lamps. 5-watt mobile charger can be used. Its battery backup is up to 6 to 7 hours. So let's open it. It is portable table lamp. It can also be used as pen stand. Here it is. Its head is flexible. They have given a LEDs here, and we have got a USB cable for charging. So I am removing its cover, and its neck looks too slim and it's very balancing. Its head is flexible, 360 rotatable. Here is a touch switch. 30% dimming, 50% dimming, 100% dimming. So this is 100% brightness. So it works with the 3 touches. It's also flexible neck. Lighting is cool. See the brightness here. So guys, please do like, comment and share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please find more videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.